At One Main Street, Colorado, progress isn't just a goal.
It's our driving force.
Colorado is stuck in a political gridlock.
Divisions, delays, stopping progress.
One Main Street, Colorado offers a different path.
We're not just another voice in the chaos.
We're the solution.
While others dig in their heels getting stuck in social media battles,
We're about progress, not stalling.
housing affordability, upward mobility.
Public safety, and bolstering our local economy. These aren't just talking points for us.
They're the issues we tackle head on.
With creativity
Pragmatism.
and a commitment to serving everyone at the table.
We're restoring common sense and civility to Colorado politics.
It's not just rhetoric.
One Main Street, Colorado is about results.
From mobilizing mayors to support collaborative solutions,
To championing Colorado as the small business hub of the entire nation.
our impact is tangible.
We're not stopping there.
We're not stopping there.
While other states stay in gridlock,
One Main Street, Colorado is pushing forward.
we aim to make Colorado the beacon of problem solving and collaboration.
An inclusive community where everyone has a seat at the table.
We're the organization where firefighters
Labor groups,
and local business leaders join forces for the greater good.
no matter race,
Religion
gender,
or sexual orientation.
we demand more from local government
We build pathways to upward mobility.
and foster a thriving environment for Coloradans to flourish.
Together, we can break gridlock and build an inclusive Colorado that works for all
of us.
Join us,
At One Main Street, Colorado,
where progress isn't just a promise.
it's reality.